Hello, welcome to my craft room. My name's Tina and this is Simply in Stitches. I mainly do knitting and cross stitch on my channel. If you're new, welcome. The reason I'm doing these videos is because I have cross stitchers and I have knitters that watch my videos. For my cross stitchers, I made some knitting tutorials which have gone down really well, and I'm so pleased and happy that they've helped people. And so I have been promising my knitters that I would teach them to cross stitch, and it has been over a year and I've still not done it. So I thought, right, now's the time. People keep leaving comments on my videos saying, oh, I wish I could cross stitch, I don't know how to do it, how to get started. So this video is for complete beginners. So if you are a cross stitcher, this isn't for you, because we're going to go right from basics. And the idea is I've got a kit and we're going to be working from a kit so that you can just buy this, it's all in one thing, and we can go through it step by step. So this is going to be a series of videos on a playlist so you can work through it, and I shall do the whole kit and talk you through every single element of it. So I'll hold your hand. After this you'll be able to go on and you'll have all that knowledge behind you. So the kit I am using, this is not sponsored, I just thought this was a good price for a starter kit. It's from Hobbycraft in the UK. Sorry about the glare. There we go. So it's by Hobbycraft in the UK. They've got different designs and they cost about £6, which I think is really good, because inside you get the hoop, you get the floss, and you get the fabric and a needle. So all you're going to need apart from this is scissors to complete the kit. You don't need to buy this one, there are many other kits on the market, but I would say get one with a hoop so you've got everything in there so you can follow along, because it would be basically the same. But if you are a completely beginner, I would say that because we're working from this chart and I'm going to be talking about this one, that it would be probably helpful if you did use this one, but you don't have to by any means. If your chart's different and you're confused, then please just leave a comment under the video and I will get back to you and help you out with that. That's not a problem. So I'm going to open this kit up and we'll see what's inside. So inside the kit, it gives you some instructions on how to do some of the stitches. So we have the basic cross stitch, and then we have back stitch and French knots. So we will be covering all of those as we get to them. We have the hoop. I shall also show you at the end of the video how to actually use this hoop if you want to use it as your frame. So you can either use this hoop again, or you can use it to frame and hang your piece, so it can be a complete project in one go. I think that's how they've done it on there. If you wanted to put it in a frame, you can put it in a frame, but I think it's quite nice to have it in the hoop. Then you have all your threads there, and on there they've got all the different symbols that will go with the design. So you see the design there, you've got the symbols, and that tells you which colour we're going to use. This is just to go through the kit, so don't think, oh, that you've gone too fast. I don't know. We're going to go through this slowly together. Well, I'll have the camera on the actual piece and you can see step by step what to do. So then we've got the aider. As you see, you've got the holes that you use in there, and you've also got your needle there as well to use. Now, if you think, oh, I don't like the fabric, this aider, so I don't like cross stitch, please don't think that. There are many different sorts of fabric. Well, I'm not going to talk about those in this set of videos because we're just going to concentrate on this kit. I don't want to overcomplicate it at this stage, but I just want to say this is one type of fabric. This fabric is a very basic one. That's not to say that all aiders like that. Some aiders are nicer, but this stiffness is not what cross stitch is all about. There are some even weave, and linen is very soft and drapey and much nicer to the feel. So please don't be put off if you think, I don't like the fabric, so I'm not going to like cross stitch. No, it just means you don't like this fabric, but there'll be other fabric you do like. So please bear with it while you're just learning the basics. What you can do is, if you don't like the stiffness of this, is if you can crunch it up, and you can also, so it will go softer if you crunch it. Also, you can soak it in water and that will get some of it out as well, the starch out of it will be softer. But what I would say at this point, try it with it stiffer, because you might find as a beginner it makes it easier for you and stays tauter in your hoop. So that is the fabric you'll be using. So with the fabric, you might see that some of it, you've got pieces coming off. It frays around the edges. Some people like to use tape, some people like to sew around. I like to do a zigzag stitch around the edge, or you can do that by hand. It's up to you how you want to, or you can take your chances and see how it goes. It might not fray too much. It all depends on the fabric. Generally, if you've got a larger piece, then we do around the edges. I'm going to start off as it is, but I may, if it starts to fray, go around with a zigzag stitch. As I say, you can also use tape if you want to, just to seal the edge, anything you want to do, or just a blanket stitch or something to go around the edge just to stop that fraying. So that is the introduction to the kit. So what I'm going to do is end this video now so that we can start a fresh video actually starting the piece. So if you haven't got your kit yet, you can go and get it, and then you're all ready for the next section when we're actually going to start putting in the first stitches. So I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.